Hey, welcome back, YouTube family, It's been a while since I've been on, but I'm here to tell y'all, we about to start back dropping videos. We out here in the harvest world. We still out here doing this. It's been pretty rough here lately. I've been pretty tied up, had a lot going on, and haven't been able to drop no videos, but look, guess what? I'm back. I'm back. So we about to start back dropping videos and get y'all caught back up what's going on in Alabama. Everything in Alabama hadn't been all peaches and cream, but we still here. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get y'all some footage of this 670, this Superman, as Mr. Wade called it. We're gonna show y'all some videos of this Superman. We got an 83R hooked to the grain buggy. So, hey, y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. We be farmed, y'all. We be farmed. '8370R. They have an 8520 as well, but it's at the shop. I seen it this morning. You gotta load it. What's up? Just got all that done. Let's go up. Well, the Cadillac of farming right here. The Cadillac of farming. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. Let's get this thing started. As y'all say, once again, we be farms. This series come by. I'm sitting in this 8370 and don't know how to act. I'm telling you, this art tractor is something serious. I got a chance. I ran the 85 yesterday, and now I'm on the 83 today. It's like a Cadillac. It's like a dream. Y'all, I know a lot of y'all wondering why my eyes red. My eyes are red because I've been up since 2 o'clock. A lot of time when you dealing with foreman, so you had to set your mind before you go out here. Now my body's feeling it. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. This 83 is absolutely nice. I love it. It's a dream. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back with y'all. We'll laugh and hee haw about this in a minute.